We're driving cars on a Mars tonight.
Are you ever on Facebook Marketplace early in the morning and you come across a deal that you don't really need but can't pass up? Well, that's the story how we got this car. James sent me this Ghia on Facebook Marketplace early this morning, and then we sent it over to our buddy Jeff of Type 4 Revolution. He gave us the green light, so we just couldn't pass it up. We are out on another adventure to go possibly buy another vehicle we don't need after we say all the time that we don't need another one and we're not buying anymore. Well, the money was burning a hole in our pocket, so we decided to go on another trip. Unfortunately, James's truck, if you may or may not have seen on his Instagram, got slammed by a deer, so we are rocking the HHWheels mobile in the Viper truck, which is towing pretty well so far with our trailer that needs some love. It's so funny how we totally neglect some things. Like, we need power steering fluid in this thing, and that trailer needs a new fender, but we're on our way to go look at something that could potentially be really, really cool. Could be a cool flip. It's right up my alley, so if that isn't a dead giveaway, I don't know what is. James is in there doing James things while I'm out here doing the hard labor, getting the gas. So let's go see what we might be putting on the trailer with the awesome Viper truck. This is gonna be cool. I'm very excited. All right, time to fill up the V10.
Did you check the power steering fluid?
No.
What were you doing?
Making YouTube content. What were you doing?
I was squeezing the lemon.
Oh yeah, and we did all this in the middle of a monsoon.
Dude, that thing's killer.
There's the Ghia. Dude.
Oh, I love it. I love it.
I know you do. I dig it.
It's Carolina.
She's a little crunchy. She's got some Bondo.
Got an 8-ball for the shifter.
The motor's definitely still in there. The Ghia was advertised with no motor, which meant it had to be pulled before we loaded it up. Oh yeah, everything's in there. Headliner looks good.
Yeah, it's a typical Bondo machine.
Yeah. Door's shut pretty good though.
Another car that has solid floor pans.
I like the Beetle that's hanging out behind you. Yeah, I think it's safe to say we're gonna buy this one. We just gotta get the motor out because he wants to have the motors. Well, we need to hustle because we just outran the rain. It's only a matter of time till it gets here.
Whose legs are those? Yeah. That's okay. Figuring it out.
So we unfortunately came kind of unprepared to pull a motor. Thankfully, though, the owner had a somewhat limited bucket of tools to get the job done. So close, and so far. Okay, there's one free. Where's that 10mm you got?
Got it right here.
Okay, there's one cable free.
Ooh, you're about to pull the whole car off the jack stands, girl.
This high energy like all day long,
Yeah, I wish.
2022, you know.
uncaffeinated.
Oh, there's caffeine, don't worry.
There you go. You're definitely moving in the right direction like that.
It's just that one stud, the other one's out.
Oh, you got to be out now. You're so far away.
Right, that was the fact that Jeff's gonna comment on this, and you're like, yeah, you should do this.
There you go.
That's gotta be awful. He's gonna kill me. He'd be like, I didn't teach you that. Well, Jeff, you did. Where's that pry bar? I've been apologizing in advance if this.
Another $500.
That is how you pull out a Volkswagen engine with the completely wrong tools and the wrong way of doing it, but we did it. You got a high five for that one.
All right, can I help you with this?
Yeah, we could probably jack her up a little bit.
Mention also, this is the only woman I've ever met as knowledgeable about VWs More so than I was at her age, and I was a fanatic. All right, put it in that back room over there.
Oh, geez.
Over there where the light is.
Let's move it over to the side. We do need to try to maybe, where do we need to put this?
Well, we just got the motor out of Angel's Ghia in a field in the middle of nowhere that we're actually surrounded by a couple Volkswagens, which makes it pretty cool. What you just watched me do, don't do this at home, or at least do it a little smarter than me. And Jeff, I'm so sorry in advance because I know you're cringing really hard. Just skip through this part of the video because you didn't see that. It's fine. I was trained better by you. So now it's time to load this baby on the trailer and go get some grub because I'm running low on energy now, as I'm sure you can tell. Although there's a better way of pulling a motor, this just shows what you can do with a limited amount of tools and some serious elbow grease. Now that we have the Ghia in the shop, we have a donor motor, and we have Jeff, the best Volkswagen mechanic in the world from Type 4 Revolution, to help us out. Stay tuned for the next episode of this Ghia to figure out if we can get it rolling down the road, hopefully. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave us a like, comment what you want to see us do with the Ghia. Don't forget to subscribe, and of course, get out there and get wrenching.